how to limit your download speed in Epic Games. So what we want to do is open up the Epic Games launcher, click on our profile icon here in the top right, and then what we want to do is go to settings. Now you will see these options here, and the one that we need is this one, throttle downloads. So once selected, it will show us this drop-down menu or pop-up menu. Download throttling is set in kilobytes per second, 0 means unlimited. So if we want to limit our download speed here, we will just set a value in kilobytes per second. So whichever one we want to do. So for example, 10,000 here is going to be 10 megabytes if I did my math correctly. So 10 megabytes per second, I guess. I don't know, I'm not good at math, but here's how you enable this option. You can calculate it on the web, how many kilobytes equals a megabyte, and that's how you do it. That's how you limit the download speed on your Epic Games launcher. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.